Hi there everyone. Today we're going to put Cascade's Platinum Dishwasher Cleaner to the test. If you've watched our channel in the past, you may remember that we live in the middle of nowhere in upstate New York. And like many people around here, we have well water, which can be very rough on a dishwasher and your hair. Once I realized that our dishwasher was long overdue for a cleaning, I sent my husband, Dave, out to buy some dishwasher cleaner. He went to our local grocery store and bought this Cascade Platinum Dishwasher Cleaner, which was $5.49 for 3 cleaning pods. The instructions say to use this without any dishes in the dishwasher, and also warns that you may have to clean your dishwasher more than once if it is especially bad. So, we placed a pod into our dishwasher and waited.
Two hours later.
I have to admit, while it did seem a lot cleaner, I was still pretty disappointed with the results. Dave wasn't as disappointed, but did agree that we should run it again.
I think it's definitely better. I'd say about 70% better. What do you think of that?
Should we do it again?
Yes, one more.
So we placed another pod into the dishwasher and waited again.
Two hours later.
This time when we opened the dishwasher door, everything looked much better. I'd say it was a 95% improvement from its original condition. So yes, I would absolutely recommend Cascade's Platinum Dishwasher Cleaner if you have hard water issues like we do. You just may have to do it more than one time.
Drastic improvement, I would say. Yes. Thank you very much.
Thanks for watching, everyone. Bye-bye.